2020 has been a very difficult year for communities around the world as we face the challenges of COVID-19. Investors have experienced extreme market volatility, and many are thinking about how to navigate the way forward. Alternative mutual funds allow most investors to participate in strategies once reserved for institutions and sophisticated investors. It's relatively early days, but demand for these products is strong, and liquid alts are fast becoming an important tool for advisors who are looking to create more durable client portfolios. Liquid alternative funds, or liquid alts, mark their first year in Canada in January 2020. The year has seen fund managers actively capitalize on the new alternative investment strategies created when regulatory changes came into effect in the Canadian mutual fund industry, such as the ability for managers to offer alternative investment strategies through prospectus fund structures. Let's look at the Scotiabank Alternative Mutual Fund Index, which we launched when the new rules came into effect, for a few performance data points. In February 2020, when equity markets dropped sharply, the Alternative Mutual Fund Index fared better, which suggests these funds offer downside protection in volatile markets. And with meaningful declines in equity and credit markets, March 2020 is a month we are happy to have behind us. In March, the drawdown in the Alternative Mutual Fund Index was significantly less than the broader equity markets. In April 2020, we saw a recovery in equity markets, and the Alternative Mutual Fund Index also posted positive results for the month. Performance year to date shows that it has experienced less than half the drawdown of broader equity markets. And for the full year ended December 2019, the Alternative Mutual Fund Index generated a positive return of 5.3%. Lower than the broader equity markets, but generating positive returns while helping to reduce risk in a portfolio. Liquid alts have already shown strong asset growth. The assets are coming from several sources, primarily from investors who are new to alternatives, but also assets that would have been allocated to offering memorandum products, as well as reallocations to liquid alts within traditional fund portfolios. We've seen this new product structure adopted by both traditional mutual fund and hedge fund managers. Most launches have been equity long-short, with some multi-strat and credit-focused funds as well. We should also point out that these are mostly global funds, which plays to one of the key strengths of Scotiabank Prime Services. We are uniquely positioned among Canadian peers as an international financing partner. Liquid alts have had an impact on fund manufacturers and advisors. Because they're sold through prospectus, advisors are able to offer these products to a broad group of investors without the distribution challenges that OM-based products face. For some alternative investment manufacturers, the target market has expanded from a few hundred advisors who include OM products in portfolio construction to thousands of advisors who include prospectus-based funds in their client portfolios. This can have a profound impact on the business opportunities for investment managers. I'm proud that Scotiabank has been chosen by fund managers as prime broker for a large number of these liquid alt funds. With our understanding of the new prospectus rules and our knowledge of how alternative strategies operate, we've been able to help our clients support their new business launches. Why have fund managers chosen Scotiabank to finance the liquid alts? Scotiabank is a global bank, and we're considered a leading global wholesale bank able to execute transactions across the globe, making us the only Canadian bank with a full-scope prime services business and an international footprint. We offer a comprehensive array of prime services including cash and synthetic prime brokerage, foreign exchange, fixed income, and equity execution, which positions Scotiabank to act as your lead prime partner. So what can we expect in the coming year? We're continuing to see more fund launches with many new entrants readying innovative liquid alt strategies that will give IAs a better toolkit to manage clients. The regulators are also considering proficiency standards which would allow MFDA-licensed financial planners to sell liquid alts. If this is approved, it will further increase the audience for these products. If your organization is considering an alternative mutual fund product, I invite you to reach out to us. Scotiabank would welcome the opportunity to help you. You can find more in-depth information on liquid alts on our website, and you can also follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. I'm Daniel Dorenbush. Thanks for watching.